everyone, welcome back. This is Amanda from hookemcreations, and today we are going to learn how to do a front post and back post on a foundation. So I went ahead and already did 10 double crochet stitches, and so it was a chain of 12. I chained 2 for a double crochet, like I've mentioned in my past videos, because I chain loosely. And so you can do the traditional way, which is chain 3, but I just chain 2, and that's how I do it. So I went ahead and made a foundation of 10 double crochet, 11 if you count the chain stitch, and I went ahead and already chained 2, and I'm going to turn my work. So to do a front post and back post, well, we'll start with the front post. To do a front post, you're not going to work into that hole that we normally do when we are crocheting. Instead, we are going to work around the post of the double crochet. You can do this in other stitches, but it's a lot easier to do it in double crochet and treble crochet, and half double. Single, not so much, but it is doable. So from here, you're not going to work in that first double crochet right here. You're going to leave that be. That's going to act like a chain. So you're going to go ahead and yarn over, and you're going to insert your hook in between the first and second double crochet and push your hook around, putting that post around your hook, yarn over, pull it through, and bring it up just a little bit so it's kind of like level with your work. Yarn over, pull through 2, just like you would with a double crochet, and pull through 2. And that's how you do a front post. Back post is quite the opposite. You're going to yarn over. Instead of going through the front, you're going to take your hook and go through the back, and again inserting around the post, yarn over, pulling it through like so, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And I'm going to show you how to do a front post again. I'm just going to do front post, back post, front post, back post all the way down. You're going to insert your hook behind the post, yarn over and bring that up, yarn over and do your double crochet. Back post, you're going to go behind and push that post back, yarn over, bring that up, and double crochet, and just keep doing that. You have to push that post forward for the front, and then you're going to push the post back to make the back post. I'm going to finish up this row real quick, and then I'll show you how to do what to do in the chain spots. And here we go. And then with the chain 2 or chain 3, do a regular double crochet like so. And that's how you do a front post and back post. And see, it kind of has like that really nice ribbing effect. I love it. It's spongy, and it gives me that ribbing effect that you would get for knitting, but it's in crochet, and it's a lot of fun to do. It's great for like cuffs. You can make it as cuffs for your sleeves or what have you. And yeah, that's how you do a front post and back post in crochet. If you enjoyed my videos, be sure to leave a like and a comment, and subscribe to the channel and get notified when our next video comes out. Also, if you want to support this channel financially, buy me a coffee. The link is in the description below. And until next time, happy crafting.